Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the YouTube app on your laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to install the YouTube app on your laptop, first open a web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, go to youtube.com and sign in to your YouTube account. After you're signed in, move to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three-dot menu. From the menu, select Cast/Save and Share. Here, you'll see an option that says Install YouTube. Click on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply click Install, and that's it. The YouTube app will be installed on your laptop. Now, if you search for YouTube on your computer, you'll see the YouTube app available, and you can open it just like a regular application. And that's it. So that is how you can install YouTube app on your laptop. So that's all for this video. Thanks.